Welcome to a new episode of Shadowing Pills, the only place where you can practice while reading interesting topics. Today's episode is The Art of Gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful practices for improving your emotional well-being. When you focus on what you appreciate, your brain releases chemicals that reduce stress and boost your mood. Even a simple moment of gratitude can shift your attention away from worries and bring you a sense of calm. One of the biggest benefits of gratitude is how it strengthens relationships. Expressing appreciation makes people feel valued, deepens trust, and improves communication. Whether it's a friend, a partner, or a coworker, gratitude helps create stronger and more positive connections. Practicing gratitude also increases resilience. When you notice the good in your life, even during difficult times, you build a mindset that helps you stay balanced and hopeful. This doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means recognizing that challenges exist alongside things that support you. A simple way to practice gratitude is to write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. They don't have to be big. Even small moments count. Over time, this habit trains your mind to focus on what's working instead of what's missing. The more you practice gratitude, the more your perspective changes. You begin to see opportunities, solutions, and positive moments that you may have overlooked before. And that was the topic for this shadowing pill. Subscribe and turn on notifications to receive your next shadowing dose. See you next time.